Click on the subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel, and also click on this bell icon to get all notifications on your mail.
Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain how to develop the slant hole, or how to develop the slant nozzle in AutoCAD by using the AutoCAD software. I'll explain this tutorial, and first of all should watch the previous tutorials to develop this model. I already explained how to develop the nodules or the straight nodules, and how to develop the torus spherical dish, and how to develop the visuals are available in my playlist. You can watch my available pressure visual design videos. Some of the concepts are available, and the nodule orientation videos also available in my playlist on the pressure visual design guide. And let's get started. After that, opening the file of what I created before. This is the already design of the torus spherical dishes of the bottom and the top, and the pressure vessel you can observe on the top of the screen. And after that, you can observe the nodules, and all of the nodules are created, and the leg type and all are created by using the AutoCAD. And after that, I want to create the one of the slant hole on the top by using this top view. This is the top view, and I want to go into the left view. After that, go into the left view. I want to create the slant. First of all, go to the line command. After that, specify the first point over here. After that, select the line, and select the line next point and the first point, and slant line is required to develop this model. And go on to the what is the view, also very important to develop the slant hole. And I'm creating the line of some of the angle without mentioning any of the dimensions. For example, AutoCAD is possible or not. I'm testing all of those videos in AutoCAD. The pressure visual design is possible or not. And you can observe the circle I'm creating on the southwest isometric view. On the top view, one of the circle is required to form a solid model. After that circle you want to create, you can use the 3D F orbit or the orbit operation. You can revolve this. You can observe the circle is created in the exact position or not. What on the top views, two views are I created. Of left view by using the southwest isometric view. Again, I'm going to the solid. In the solid command, select the sweep and select the circle, enter, and select the line, enter. You can observe the solid model is created over here on the top of the slant hole. This is all the nodules are straight, but this is I want to create a nodule to the straight. I want to require the slant nodule. For example, I want to create this. This hole is, see, the hole is the required hole is not created. We required the hole like a circle hole is required. How to fix this hole to create the circle hole, I will show you. You can observe the 3D F orbit also. You can in detail view. You can observe the individual views also. You can rotate by using the 3D F orbit operation. Already explained how to use this command. And this is the top view dish is created. Again, I'm using the Control Z option to the undo what is created before. Control plus Z. This is the model. I want to move this object to the inside somewhat distance. You can observe by using the XYZ direction. Then again, I'm using the subtract command. Select the dish and select the object and click on enter. You can observe the 3D. The hole is created. The circular hole is created. The slant hole is created on the in between the straight face of the crown radius and the knuckle radius. Both will touches the hole. You can observe on the screen. And the hole is created. I want to create the nodule. Again, I'm using the Control Z. First, copy the object to the other side before using the subtract operation. I'm explaining purpose. I'm doing like this. First of all, copy the object after giving the sweep operation, and copy object to the other side. One is I want to require the outer diameter, and the internal diameter is required. Then I'm subtracting this operation. First is what is the created on of the torus spherical dish, and as you enter, subtract and click on torus spherical and click on the object by using the click on enter option. I want to reduce this to inside diameter. Then only I'm removing this to some of the distance is reducing. I want to copy this object to the inside. I want to put this object to the solid material to required to form a pipe. This is in the view is not visible because so much is distance is there. You want to see that view, why it is not coinciding with this. See, the distances are not created by using the 3D model. You want to adjust by using the top view, side view, isometric views only. I am using the southwest. You can see the two copy is different places. I am simply copying the object to the nearest to the nozzle and see copying and insert to the midpoint. You can observe it is inserted, and as you enter subtract, select the outer and select the inner. By using the subtract, the remove method, see the nozzle of the pipe is created. You want to create the flanges on the top also, same this method only. Nozzle has the same method, and the flange is also the outer diameters, the internal diameters is there, same process. I'm not explaining those. You can also, by using this method, you can also develop the total slant hole nozzle on the any of the pressure vessel heads. You can observe the one of the nozzle is created. I'm using the view of northeast isometric on my view, and go into the hole what is created. I want to put this nozzle or any of the pipe. I want to create same or slant distance without losing the angle. I'm copying the object before I want to plan the nozzle, same distance. If you after that the profile is deleted, then only I'm copying the object before to develop. This is the method. In various software has the different types of methods. In I perform this design, this type of operations I required to develop this. You can observe by using the AutoCAD 3D modeling, the slant hole is also possible on the torus spherical dish, not only the straight, and you can also cylindrical pressure vessel, all are possible. Total the pressure vessel design is completed. You can observe this, the slant hole. You want to change the color, you can also change the colors. By using the 3D F orbit operation, you want to see how the nozzle is inside before it is on the halo shell. You want to view the object using the 3df orbit. Before the 3D of orbit, select the object and click on 3df orbit command. You can observe the whatever you selected the objects that will highlight. By using this, you can prepare this object clearly and with the exact dimension by using the 3df orbit operation. And 3df orbit, you can observe the pipe is somewhat outer, and the inside I will show you. On the top you can observe the rotation, 360 degrees rotation, so all is possible by using this command. And you can observe the it is not on inside, somewhat I want to move. You can also move by using the same process. This exact position is okay. By this AutoCAD software 3D modeling also, you can create the slant manholes on the nodules. You can also create the dishes and the nodules, the flanges, all are possible. The pressure vessel design is totally possible in AutoCAD 3D also. I'm testing all of the what is this creation is possible or not. This is all the dimensions are possible.